All right, guys, had to fix, I think this is where the fusible link is, this one right here. That's as good as I'm gonna do. These other wires here are shot. I think that's a diode. Here's what they had on that fusible link, was one of these, and it was all corroded. This is the one of the alternator wires. They were shorted out where the tie is to the block there. These are all the fuses that it took me to figure out it was the stop-start solenoid. All right, guys, let's get it running and pick up a piece of steel and see if we can walk around and move. And if we can, we're gonna call her good. So fuse 14 is this one. I think we'll give her a little glow plug. So you turn it this way. You watch down there. She's ready. She starts right up. I'm gonna press this button. That makes the magnet work. Then we'll go ahead and drop this steel. I'm gonna smash that steel. Oh yeah. There you have it. I fixed an excavator. It's a PC220LC Komatsu. Alright, thanks for watching.